In this tutorial, I want to look at working with tags on your posts. Tags are absolutely essential. Tags are what are picked up by the Google search bots in order to access your content and to show it as relevant when somebody performs a search on Google. So we're going to perform a quick search using Google, and I'll show you how tags are used by Google search engine. For the purposes of our example, I'm going to perform a search on celebrity gossip, a subject of course dear to everybody's heart. So we press Google search and you will see that the search results come up on the Google screen. Now I want you to look at these bold type terms. Do you see celebrity gossip, celebrity gossip, celebrity gossip? Google is picking up those terms and directing you to sites where the site owners have tagged celebrity gossip. What you're doing when you're tagging your posts, in other words, is thinking about the possible search terms that people will use that will actually lead them to your site rather than to anybody else's. So let's see what we can do with one of the posts on Carver United Reformed Church's site. Here are my posts. I've opened the posts and I'm in edit mode, and I'm going to pick this post here, Word and Sacrament, and edit it. At present there are no tags on this post, and I'm going to put tags in so that the search engine can pick it up. Now with WordPress, your WordPress categories function as search engine tags. In this case, we've got featured checked. In other words, at present, the only way, the only thing that Google can pick up from this post is that it has a featured tag, which is hardly going to send traffic your way. So what I'm going to do is to add some new tags, new search terms, that hopefully will give the Google robots some idea of what this post contains. Now the title of the post is Word and Sacrament. So what I'm going to do is here in the tag box add tags separated with commas that will be relevant to Word and Sacrament and hopefully direct traffic our way. Right, let's think for a moment. It's Word and Sacrament. So tags associated with Word. Well, obviously the first one is Bible, preaching, homiletics, which is the technical name for preaching. We're Reformed, so I'll put in Reformed, the Reformed preaching tradition. Sacrament, baptism, communion, Eucharist, and I'm going to put in some tags that I would include in just about every post. So it would be the United Reformed Church, the Lake District. You'll see I'm not bothering with capitals. You don't need to. And URC, in this case I will capitalize that because somebody might be searching for URC. And then I click Add, update the post, and now when I go to this same post in edit mode on my machine, I will discover that it lists the tags that I've associated with this post. So let's go to edit, and when the screen comes up, can you see, here's the post, Word and Sacrament, and look over here, this is a list of my tags. Now, people differ on their tagging policy. I have to say, I'm an inveterate tagger. I think of as many as possible, and there's no doubt that it's a good way of pushing your site rating up in the Google rankings. So, go mad with tags. That's the way to get noticed on the internet. It's as easy as that.